So today we are cooking one of our Ramadan specials. It is this herb and halloumi salad with sweet potato hummus. As you can see, it's colorful, it's in your face, it's full of goodness. It's something that we hope you'll really enjoy. So today when we'll be cooking, there's something special. We've just received a beautiful bundle of kitchen equipment from Virgin Megastores, pots, pans, beautiful equipment that we'll be showcasing on this video. And if you get excited about cooking your own Hello Chef recipe, take a picture of it, take a video, post it, use the hashtag HelloChefMe, and you can enter a draw to win your own exciting bundle of beautiful kitchen equipment from Virgin Megastore. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees or 180 degrees with the fan. Then peel and roughly chop the sweet potatoes. Add them to a baking tray and drizzle with olive oil. Roast in the oven for 25 minutes until soft. Meanwhile, wash and roughly chop the mint and parsley leaves. Peel and finely slice the shallots. Chop the cucumber. Slice the lemon into wedges. Then peel and crush the garlic. Chop the halloumi into cubes. And finally slice the radish. In the bowl with the shallots, whisk the olive oil with a squeeze of lemon juice and a pinch of salt and pepper. This is your dressing. Once the sweet potatoes are ready, leave them to cool slightly before transferring them to a food processor. Along with the remaining lemon juice, olive oil, salt, pepper, tahini and garlic. Blitz until smooth. This is your sweet potato hummus. Heat a large non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, add the halloumi and fry for 3 or 4 minutes until golden and soft. Remove the pan from the heat and sprinkle with the sumac. Gently toss the mint, parsley, cucumber, radish and pomegranate seeds in the dressing. Top with the halloumi and serve immediately alongside with sweet potato hummus. Enjoy! So this is how easy it is to whip a beautiful Ramadan-inspired, refreshing dinner or lunch. If you are entertaining in your house, in your home, you can always add some couscous, some bulgur into the salad. You can serve it with a nice barbecue as well on the side. It's a very, very fun recipe and refreshing. I hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Bon appétit!